Atoms and molecules. Atoms previous class रे atom बिषय कहला. Atom or definition. Atom is the smallest particle of an element which cannot be further subdivided. That is according to John Dalton. John Dalton कहता that is Dalton का मतलब. Dalton says that atom is the smallest particle of an element which cannot be further subdivided. Which cannot be further subdivided. An atom consists of three fundamental particles, that is electron, proton and neutron. Atom consists of three fundamental particles, that is electron, proton and neutron. So এইটাকে কয় যায় fundamental particle or subatomic particle. Fundamental particle or subatomic particle. So atom consists of three fundamental particle or subatomic particle. What are these? Electron, proton and neutron. These are electron, proton and neutron. Clear? So atom consists of three fundamental particle, that is electron, proton and neutron. Example, suppose our atom, suppose example, let us take the examples of atom. Example, copper, silver, irons. Example, copper, silver, iron. Copper, silver and iron are the atoms, which copper, silver, iron are the atoms which can have independent existence. Look at example, copper, silver and iron are the atoms which can have independent existence. Next example, suppose oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen. Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen are the atoms which do not have independent existence. Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen are the atoms which do not have independent existence. But copper, silver, iron are the atoms which can have independent. Copper, silver, iron are the atoms which can have independent existence. Copper, silver, iron are the atoms which can have independent existence. Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen are the atoms which do not have independent existence. Next, molecule. Next, we will discuss what is molecule. Next, we will discuss what is molecule. Molecule. A molecule A molecule is defined as the smallest particle. A molecule is defined as the smallest particle of a compound which can have independent existence, which can have independent existence. A molecule is defined as the smallest particle of a compound. Or generally of a compound. A molecule is defined as the smallest particle of a compound which can have independent existence. Jar independent identity thibo or independent existence thibo gote molecule taku ame ka kaiba na compound ro smallest particle taku ame molecule kaiba. Compound ro smallest particle taku ame molecule kaiba jar independent existence or independent identity thibo. जार इंडिपेंडेंट एक्जिस्टेंस और इंडिपेंडेंट आइडेंटिटी थिबो ताको आमे कोन कहला मॉलिक्यूल कहला. कंपाउंड रो स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ताको जार इंडिपेंडेंट एक्जिस्टेंस थिबो ताको आमे मॉलिक्यूल कहला हला. सो वी कैन लास्टली से दैट अल्टीमेट पार्टिकल ऑफ एलिमेंट इज एटम. अल्टीमेट पार्टिकल ऑफ कंपाउंड इज मॉलिक्यूल. लास्टली हमें गुटे नोट्स लिख परिवा. नोट्स अल्टीमेट पार्टिकल ऑफ एलिमेंट. अल्टीमेट पार्टिकल ऑफ एलिमेंट इज एटम and ultimate particle of element is atom. Ultimate particle of compound is molecule. Ultimate particle of element is atom and ultimate particle of compound is molecule. Clear? So this is last key notes. We can say that key points or key notes. Ultimate particle of element is atom. Ultimate particle of compound is molecule. Now shortly we can say that ultimate particle of element is atom. Element ର ଶେଷ particle ଟା ultimate ହେଲା atom. Ultimate शेष particle कार compound रो सेटा आसीबो molecule. This is all about atoms and molecules. Clear? Next we will give you some formula of the compounds which are required in your chemistry. These are the important formula. I will give you the formula of some compounds. Then you have to remember this compound. Clear? So next I will give you some formula of the compound. I will give you some formula of the compound. Is that clear? So try to remember this formula. These are the general formula which you use in chemistry. These are the very fundamental. I am already discussing the fundamental thing what you have to know. Clear? I am giving some formula. You have to remember this formula: some acid, base, and compounds. These are the general compounds which you use in chemistry. Clear? So I am giving some formula. H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid, HNO3, nitric acid. Then I will give you the suppose NaOH, sodium hydroxide, KOH, potassium hydroxide. KOH is potassium hydroxide, NaOH sodium hydroxide, CaOH whole 2 calcium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. Write these things. Clear? So sulfuric acid, this is called also king of chemicals. Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, etc. AlCl3, aluminium chloride. So I am writing this formula. Generally you will use this formula in chemistry. These are the minimum formula. You should definitely, these are the basic formula. You must have to remember this formula. Clear? So I am writing this minimum formula what you have to remember. Clear? So write these things. Have you written this? Next I will write the another formula. So next I will write some formula. Listen. NH3 ammonia, NH2CO, NH2 urea. Urea formula is NH2CO, NH2. Then I will write some NaCl, sodium chloride, KCl, potassium chloride, CaOCl2, bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride, bleaching powder আর নামটা হচ্ছে ক্যালসিয়াম oxychloride, CaOCl2 calcium oxychloride bleaching powder. ହେଲା so NH3 ammonia NH2CO NH2 urea NaCl sodium chloride KCl potassium chloride CaOCl2 bleaching powder CaCl2 calcium chloride so ammonia urea sodium chloride potassium chloride bleaching powder or calcium oxychloride CaCl2 calcium chloride MgCl2 magnesium chloride magnesium chloride H2O water so these are the common things I am writing subsequently so please write these things NH3 ammonia NH2CO NH2 urea NaCl sodium chloride KCl potassium chloride CaOCl2 bleaching powder or calcium oxychloride next CaCl2 calcium chloride MgCl2 magnesium chloride H2O water so these are the things I am writing next so write these things have you completed next I am erasing this potassium next KClO3 potassium chlorate KClO3 potassium chlorate next KMnO4 potassium permanganate K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate next NH4 whole 2 Cr2O7 NH4 whole 2 Cr2O7 ammonium dichromate potassium dichromate ammonium dichromate KClO3 potassium chlorate KMnO4 potassium permanganate K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate NH4 whole 2 Cr2O7 ammonium dichromate MnO2 manganese dioxide dioxide, manganese dioxide. Write these things. KClO3 potassium chloride, KMnO4 potassium permanganate, K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate, NH4 2Cr2O7 ammonium dichromate, MnO2 manganese dioxide. Next, I am writing some formula, so you should remember, because these are the common formula. Always we use this in chemistry classes. So sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate, magnesium carbonate, MgCO3, magnesium carbonate, magnesium MgHCO3 whole 2 magnesium bicarbonate, MgHCO3 whole 2 magnesium bicarbonate, CaHCO3 whole 2 calcium bicarbonate. So these are the common formula. Next, potassium bleaching powder already we have told, CaCl2. Next is potassium nitrate, KNO3 potassium nitrate, KNO3 potassium nitrate, then sodium nitrate, NaNO3 sodium nitrate, NaNO3 sodium nitrate, KNO3 potassium nitrate, NaNO3 sodium nitrate. So write these things. NaHCO3 sodium bicarbonate, MgCO3 magnesium carbonate, MgHCO3 whole 2. Why this is whole HCO3 minus 1, Mg2. 2 is crisscross to this HCO3. Suppose either Mg2 either 1. 1 is this, 2 is this. So this is magnesium bicarbonate. Already I have given the formula. How to write the formula? Already we have discussed how to write the formula. So what are the steps involved in writing the formula? What are the steps involved in writing the formula? Already we have discussed. Clear? So sodium nitrate. Next, have you written this? Next is silver nitrate, AgNO3, silver nitrate. ammonium nitrate, NH4 NO3, ammonium nitrate, ammonium, silver nitrate, ammonium nitrate. Next is boric acid, ammonium nitrate, H3BO3, boric acid, H3BO3, boric acid, silver AgNO3, silver nitrate, NH4NO3, ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3, ammonium nitrate, H3BO3, boric acid. H3BO3 is boric acid. Clear? Next, borax, Na2B4O7, Na2B4O7, 10 water. Borax, Na2B4O7, 10 water, borax. Na2B4O7, 10 water, that is borax. Next is lithium nitrate, LiNO3, lithium nitrate, lithium nitrate, LiNO3, lithium nitrate. Then beryllium nitrate, beryllium nitrate, beryllium nitrate. Look at beryllium nitrate, BeNO2NO3 whole 2. Why this is whole 2? Because we know that NO3 minus 1, this is 2. 2 is given here, 1 is given here. Crisscross. Already I have discussed this thing. Already I have discussed the formula how to write the beryllium. How to write this? Beryllium charge 2 plus, nitrate charge is 1. So 1 is going there, 2 is going there. So beryllium nitrate, beryllium magnesium nitrate. So write this thing. Magnesium nitrate, calcium nitrate, magnesium nitrate, calcium nitrate, strontium nitrate, strontium nitrate, magnesium nitrate, calcium nitrate, strontium nitrate. Next, cadmium nitrate, cadmium nitrate, magnesium nitrate. Look at this: magnesium nitrate, calcium nitrate, strontium nitrate, cadmium nitrate. So these are the magnesium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. One group. One group. So group wise, you should remember this. Whenever I am writing these symbols, you will remember this group wise. Whenever you remember this group wise, that will be very fruitful to you. So I will give you the short tricks. I will give you the short tricks how to remember the formula for group wise. Clear? Suppose first group hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. All you are possessing periodic table. समस्त periodic table अछि. Periodic table of first group, second group, carbon. Suppose गोटे family, carbon family, boron family. Group wise I will give the data also. Next, nitrous acid. Nitric acid कहली nitrous acid HNO2. Nitrous acid HNO2. Nitrous acid HNO2, HNO3 already कहली कोन nitric acid. HNO2 वाला nitrous acid, HNO3 वाला nitric acid. Hyponitric acid H2N2O3. H2N2O3 hyponitric acid. Hyponitric acid. এটা হলো নাইট্রোস অ্যাসিড, HNO3 হলো কোন নাইট্রিক অ্যাসিড, H2N2O3 হাইপোনাইট্রিক অ্যাসিড. N2O3 ডাইনাইট্রোজেন, N2O3 ডাইনাইট্রোজেন, N2O3 ডাইনাইট্রোজেন ट्राइऑक्साइड, डाइनाइट्रोजन ट्राइऑक्साइड, डाइनाइट्रोजन N2O3 डाइनाइट्रोजन ट्राइऑक्साइड, डाइनाइट्रोजन ट्राइऑक्साइड. आवडला NH4 NH2. नेक्स्ट इडला इनऑर्गेनिक पार्ट रा, ऑर्गेनिक पार्ट रा टिके स्लाइडली दे जोछि नाम रा. सो यू शुड राइट दिस नाइट्रस एसिड, hyponitric acid and to dinitrogen trioxide. Clear? Next, organic part गुड़ा कल्प किसी किसी कोई दूसरी जोड़ा की तुम्हारा minimum formula जानिबा दरकार. जोड़ा की basic things you have to remember this thing. Next ला suppose CH4 मिथेन. CH4 कोन कह दियो मिथेन. It is also called Mars gas. Methane, which is also called Mars gas. Clear? Methane, C2H6, ethane. Methane, ethane, C2H4, ethene. Look at C2H6, the ethane, C2H4, ethene. One word changes. Here E, it is N. This is alkene. This is alkane. This is also alkane. This is alkane. This is alkane. This is alkene. C2HN. The common formula is CnH2n. Because C carbon is how much? N is 2. So C2H2 into 2. So C2H4. This is the formula. See, alkene family, the formula is CnH2n. Ethene is C2H4. This is the formula is for alkane CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. Look at here CH4. C is how many C are present? Ketna C ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ. So N is 1. N1 মানে C1 H ହେଲା 2 into କେତେ 1 plus 2 CH4. Look at CH4. Look at this CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2 is केतना कार्बन n होला how many number of carbon atoms are present केतना कार्बन एटम रहिछि केतना रहिछि गोटे कार्बन एटम रहिछि so n is 1 माने n1 means C1H2 into 1 2 into 1 plus 2 so CH4 C1H2 into 1 plus 2 so CH4 clear this is methane suppose ethane जो हम लिखि छै एठी ethane का फार्मूला अनुसार हम देखिबा चेक करिबा look at this ethane n कते 2 look at CnH2n plus 2 so C2H2 into 2 plus 2 so C2H4 plus 2 C2H6 so methane ethane propane butane pentane according to this formula we can write CnH2n plus 2 by applying this formula we can write methane ethane propane butane pentane hexane octane nonane like this so this is methane ethane this is ethene next is C2H2 इथाइन और एटार नाम होछि एसिटिलिन this is acetylene next is CH3OH methyl alcohol C2H5OH ethyl alcohol methyl alcohol ethyl alcohol so write this formula methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol so first write this CH4 is methane C2H6 is ethane C2H4 ethene C2H2 that is CH111CH that is C2H2 ethine or acetylene CH3OH methyl alcohol C2H5OH ethyl alcohol एटी भी अच्छी C6H5OH and adala phenol this is called carbolic acid this is C6H5OH C6H5OH वाला phenol all called carbolic acid ये जो carbolic acid है जो पकड़े दो सापो पड़े so ये जो का यूज है बन रखो phenol कनाडा वाला phenol C6H5OH C6H5OH phenol carbolic acid so first write this thing complete next time erasing this next is formaldehyde CH3 CHO acetaldehyde CH3 CHO acetaldehyde CH3 CO CH3 aceton next HCOH formic acid एरा पिंपुड़ी कामड़ले ए एसिड का था पिंपुड़ी जो कामड़ लगे तो मुझे को से ए एसिड टा फॉर्मिक एसिड CH3COH एसिटिक एसिड एटा एसिटिक एसिड ये विनेगर जो खाऊ छो माछ तेरेला माछ का खराब हो तो ओरा यूज करछो विनेगर is the mixture of acetic acid and water. Vinegar is nothing but the mixture of acetic acid and water. Acetic acid and water is the mixture of vinegar. Clear? So formic acid, acetic acid, and next acid gala alcohol, aldehydes, ketones gala. Next तुम्हें mostly a compound these are the general compound which we use in chemical chemistry. These are the most important things. It is our compound NH2OH. NH2OH hydroxyl amine. NH2OH hydroxyl amine. NH2OH what? Hydroxyl amine. Clear? So these are the formula you must remember. These are the formula already you will use this formula and in another thing C6H12O6 that is glucose. Mostly organic C6H12O6 glucose. C6H12O6 glucose. Yeah. So these are the important formula you should try to remember. At least in one day you cannot remember this. It will take some time. After some time you will remember this thing. Clear? So try to remember the formula at least 2, 3, 5 formula one day. Per day at least you try to remember 5 formula. Subsequently you will remember this formula in a easy method. Clear? Next. Already symbol. I have given you the symbol. Already I am giving you the symbols of so many symbols. So you have remember this thing. So try to remember this common formula what I have written in this blackboard. You will not remember this in one day. It is not hard and fast rule that you should remember this thing in a one day. You will subsequently remember this thing. Similarly, I will give you the data how to remember the symbols in a shortcut method. Already you are some in books. Already in books it is also given how to remember in a shortcut or easy tricks. I will just give you the data and all. In group wise, I will give you the data how to remember it in a easy manner. Clear? So, 2, 3 groups I will mention and I will give you the shortcut methods to remember this thing. Clear? So, look at symbols already I am given up to 30. So, within 30 you can easily remember it, but how you can remember it most convenient way, I will give you the data. Look at first group element: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Look at how to remember it in a easy way. How to remember it in a easy way, I am giving you the tricks. High लीना, हाय लीना की रब से फरियाद। हाय लीना की रब से हाय लीना की रब से फरियाद। लुक एट हाय H हाइड्रोजन, लीना Li Na सोडियम, की K रब से, Rb सीजियम से, F फरियाद। हाय लीना की रब से फरियाद। हाइड्रोजन लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटासियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम, फ्रांसियम। हाय लीना की रब से फरियाद। सो H is हाइड्रोजन, लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटासियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम, फ्रांसियम। Look at hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. You will write these things. You will check this in. We can say that you will check this thing in your book in periodic table chapter. In periodic table chapter, so at least you should remember this thing group wise. If you remember this thing group wise, then you can know so many things about the chemistry. So these are the fundamental things. So how to remember it in a short tricks I am giving. हाय लीना की रब से फरियाद. Look at हाय H हाइड्रोजन, लीना Li लिथियम, Na सोडियम, की K पोटासियम, Rb रुबिडियम, Cs सीजियम, Fr फ्रांसियम. Fr is फ्रांसियम. Here next second group बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, टोन्शियम, बेरियम, रेडियम. लुक एट बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, ट्रांसियम, बेरियम, रेडियम. The short tricks is beta मांगे कार, स्कूटर, बाप, राजी. Look at बेटा मांगे कार, स्कूटर, बाप, राजी. बेटा Be बेरिलियम, मांगे Mg कार, Ca कैल्शियम, स्कूटर, Sr बाफ, Ba राजी, Ra. Look at बेटा मांगे कार, स्कूटर, बाफ, राजी. बेटा मांगे कार, स्कूटर, बाफ, राजी. Be बेरिलियम, मांगे Mg मैग्नीशियम, Ca कैल्शियम, स्कूटर, Sr स्कूटर, Sr स्ट्रोंशियम, बाफ, Ba बेरियम एंड Ra रेडियम. बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, टोन्शियम, बेरियम, रेडियम. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. So this is the easy tricks. You can write this in book. So in books you will write this side beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Clear? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Next group you will try to remember this. Next is Next is boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. बैंगन, आलू, गाजर इन थाली. बैंगन, look at बैंगन, आलू, गाजर इन थाली और थैला. बैंगन, आलू, गाजर इन थाली और थैला. बैंगन, B stands for boron, Al stands for aluminium, boron, aluminium. Gallium, Ga gallium, In indium, Tl thallium. Look at boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. So this is the formula. Bengan, alu, gajar in thali. Bengan, alu, gajar in thali. B stands for boron, Al stands for aluminium, Ga stands for boron, aluminium, gallium, In stands for indium, Tl stands for thallium. So bengan, alu, gajar in thela, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Next is carbon. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Look at carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. कहे सीताजी सुनो प्रभु. कहे सीताजी सुनो प्रभु. कहे C stands for, look at C stands for carbon. कहे C stands for carbon, सीता Si silicon, Ge germanium, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, Sn tin, प्रभु Pb प्रभु. कहे सीताजी सुनो प्रभु. कहे सीताजी सुनो प्रभु. Look at C stands for carbon, C stands for carbon, सीता Si carbon, silicon, Si ला silicon, Ge germanium, सुनो Sn tin, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, Pb है lead. कहे सीताजी सुनो प्रभु. कार्बन, सिलिकॉन, जर्मेनियम, टीन, लेड. कार्बन, सिलिकॉन, जर्मेनियम, टीन, लेड. नेक्स्ट कहे सीताजी सुनो प्रभु. नेक्स्ट नाइट्रोजन फैमिली. नाइट्रोजन फैमिली. लुक एट नाइट्रोजन, फॉस्फोरस, आर्सेनिक, एंटीमनी, बिस्मथ. नाइट्रोजन, फॉस्फोरस, आर्सेनिक, एंटीमनी, बिस्मथ. এটা হলো নেপাল, পাকিস্তান, অস্ট্রেলিয়া সব ভিখারি. Look at Nepal, Pakistan, Australia सब भिखारी. Nepal, Pakistan, Australia सब भिखारी. N stands for nitrogen, P stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, nitrogen, phosphorus. A stands for arsenic, SB stands for Nepal, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. SB stands for antimony. BI stands for bismuth. नेपाल, पाकिस्तान, ऑस्ट्रेलिया सब भिखारी. नेपाल, पाकिस्तान, ऑस्ट्रेलिया सब भिखारी. नाइट्रोजन, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Another short trick is that nikhil pass sub bindas. এটা भी তুমি লিখি পারিব নিখিল পাস सब बिंदास निखिल पास सब बिंदास एन वाला निखिल पास PAS এটা পাস ক্যাপিটাল আসবো निखिल पास AS और ए निखिल पास सॉरी ए निखिल पास सब बिंदास look at निखिल पास सब बिंदास एन वाला नाइट्रोजन P वाला फॉस्फोरस आर्सेनिक एंटीमनी बिस्मथ N stands for nitrogen P stands for nitrogen phosphorus AS stands for arsenic SB nitrogen phosphorus arsenic antimony bismuth नाइट्रोजन फॉस्फोरस आर्सेनिक एंटीमनी बिस्मथ निखिल पास सब बिंदास और नेपाल पाकिस्तान ऑस्ट्रेलिया सब बिगाई और आउ गोटे भी अच्छी नए पड़ेसन ऐश्वर्या से भी ब्यूटीफुल नए पड़ेसन ऐश्वर्या से भी ब्यूटीफुल नेक्स्ट another family is that oxygen sulfur selenium tellurium polonium oxygen sulfur selenium tellurium polonium old style से टिपो old style से टिपो look at this is very easy old style से टिपो oxygen O stands for oxygen S stands for oxygen sulfur Se selenium Te tellurium Po polonium oxygen sulfur selenium tellurium polonium oxygen sulfur selenium tellurium polonium old style से टिपो this is very easy to remember old style से टिपो oxygen sulfur selenium tellurium polonium next group is that fluorine chlorine bromine iodine acetate fluorine chlorine bromine iodine acetate फिर काल बाहर आई आंटी फिर काल बाहर आई आंटी लुक एट फिर F stands for fluorine Cl chlorine बाहर Br bromine I iodine astatine AT फिर काल बाहर आई आंटी फ्लोरीन क्लोरीन ब्रोमीन आयोडीन एस्टेटाइट फ्लोरीन क्लोरीन ब्रोमीन आयोडीन एस्टेटाइट तापरे गुड फिर काल बाहर आई आंटी नेक्स्ट इज हीलियम नियॉन आर्गन क्रिप्टन जेनन रेडन हीलियम नियॉन आर्गन क्रिप्टन जेनन रेडन हीना नीना और करीना जेरोक्स रानी हिना नीना और करीना जेरोक्स रानी ऐसी हीलियम हीना हीलियम नीना हीलियम नियॉन आर्गन KR krypton, Kr krypton, Xe xenon, Rn radon. हिना नीना और करीना जेरोक्स रानी, हिना नीना और करीना जेरोक्स रानी. हीलियम, नियॉन, आर्गन, क्रिप्टन, जेनॉन, रेडन. आसुन helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So these are the formula. At least these are the symbols. You try to remember. Clear?